Hey friends, I want to introduce you to some legitimate websites where you can actually earn money. Unlike many other platforms that promise payment but don't deliver, these sites are genuine opportunities to make up to $200 or more, and they're remarkably straightforward to use. Let me walk you through each one to show you how real this is. First up is respondentio. This platform offers opportunities to earn by participating in market research studies. For example, they might pay you up to $35 for a 20-minute chat if you share your experiences or opinions on topics like skincare products. It's a simple process. Sign up on respondent.io, apply for studies that interest you, and start earning by sharing your insights. Next, consider focusgroup.com. Here, you can earn up to $75 per hour simply by sharing your opinions on various topics such as pet care, medical conditions, or shopping habits. The questions are straightforward, and it's a great way to earn extra income in your spare time. Visit focusgroup.com to get started and see what studies are available for you. Another great option is fieldvoices.com. This platform values your day-to-day experiences and is willing to pay between $300 to $350 for insights you share about your lifestyle. Whether you're discussing daily routines, habits, or preferences, your opinions are valuable here. Payments are quick, usually within 7 days after completing a study. Visit fieldvoices.com to see how your experiences can translate into earnings. Now, let's talk about Dscout. This platform rewards you for sharing your opinions on various topics ranging from social media usage to product features. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on the complexity and type of questions you answer. It's a reliable way to earn extra cash by simply answering questions online. Check out dscout.com to start participating and earning today. Moving on to intellizoom panel, which offers $5 to $10 per survey completion. While it may not offer high earnings per survey, it's a straightforward way to earn money by sharing your views on different subjects. Payments are made via PayPal within 14 days after completing surveys. If you have spare time and want to earn a bit of extra cash, intellizoom panel might be worth considering. Last but not least, there's userinterviews.com. This platform offers opportunities to participate in various studies, including product testing, academic research, and cultural studies. Payments can go up to $400 per study, depending on the complexity and time commitment involved. It's a great way to earn substantial amounts by participating in studies that interest you. Visit userinterviews.com, sign up as a participant, and start exploring the available studies. I understand that many people watch videos like this but are skeptical about trying them out. However, the websites I've mentioned are legitimate, and people are indeed earning money through them. While these opportunities won't make you rich, they can provide a reliable source of extra income, anywhere from $400 to $500, by simply sharing your opinions and experiences. Remember, these websites are accessible worldwide, so regardless of where you are located, you can potentially start earning money today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested, don't hesitate to visit these websites and see how you can start earning extra income. I'm Weenboy, and I appreciate your attention, and I think that you will ask slow like these videos. Check them out here.